Now, even though the Bharatiya Janata Party is confident of a hat-trick in the ongoing 2024 elections, the Saffron Party is leaving no stone unturned to remain on top of the voters' minds in the last phase of polls. Today, Prime Minister Modi is all set to lead the party in Bengal. Now, after rallying in Jharkhand's Goda, the Prime Minister will hold 2 rallies in West Bengal, which is a high-stakes battle for the party. Prime Minister Modi held a public meeting at Ashok Nagar in Barasat. The next public meeting will be at 4 p.m. in Jadavpur. At 5:55 p.m., he will hold a mega road show in Kolkata for the Kolkata Uttar constituency. Now, let's also tell you about the significance of the 2 citadels of the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, which are Uttar and Dakshin Kolkata. First comes Kolkata Uttar, where TMC candidate Sudeep Bandyopadhyay is a 4-time MP and the BJP has never managed to win this seat. A significant number of migrants and urban development and governance are key issues in this very seat. When it comes to Kolkata Dakshin, Mamata Banerjee was the longest holder of the seat. It borders Kolkata Uttar, Howrah, Diamond Harbour, Jadavpur. It is also a high-profile seat with significant urban voters and is often contested between the Trinamool Congress and the left. Amid the BJP and the TMC's ongoing political, war of words in the state of West Bengal, with both parties alleging that each side is rigging polling procedures and repeatedly manhandling. There is manhandling of supporters of both sides. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that the Saffron Party should use the BJP leader title for Narendra Modi instead of Prime Minister during election campaign, as he is a caretaker PM. Going on to question why Prime Minister Modi is holding a road show with the lotus symbol, is he the BJP chief, is what she is asking. The BJP, on the other hand, is also slamming the Trinamool Congress for using cops to create problems in BJP's road shows.
Mamata Banerjee boasts of her schemes, but let her boast of the corruption that has happened in her governance. Right from food to education, to ration, to rice, to coal smuggling, cow smuggling, sand mafias, you name it and she has it, her government has it. We are expecting a historic roadshow of the Honorable PM. Kolkata will witness a never before, visuals. People have already started flooding in. Despite braving this natural calamity, they are pouring in from all districts which is nearby.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर कल एक मीटिंग करेंगे, रैली करेंगे, कर सकते हैं, हमारा कोई एतराज नहीं है। जितना भी पॉलिटिकल लोग रैली करें बंगाल में है, हमारा क्या एतराज है, लेकिन एडवर्टाइजमेंट देके प्राइम मिनिस्टर रैली करेंगे, बीजेपी का फोटो लगा के, बीजेपी का सिंबल लगा के, एक करेक्ट है? नहीं है, दिस इज रॉन्ग। आप बोलिए कि यू आर एज ए प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बीजेपी आप कर रहे हैं, लीडर एट बीजेपी कर रहा है, हमको इधर में चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं लिखा है। क्यों इतना झूठ का ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है?